I don't know.
Thank you.
Seeing the love of fans is always heartwarming, especially when they get to see their idol face to face. You're about to see shock, happiness, tears of joy, and other reactions from the fans. Shoma Josie's song about John Cena was an instant hit, even with the wrestler himself.
Hey! I'm your Lyft driver. I don't have all day to be waiting. Get in!
Is having Will Smith as your taxi driver a fantasy? Nope, it's real. Just look at these people's reaction. Would you take a ride with a famous actor?
Let me hear that, man.
I would love to, but I fear it may not happen.
At a Comic-Con panel, a fan asked Tom Felton for a hug, and he didn't need much convincing. Clearly, Draco prefers hugging women to hugging Voldemort. This girl cosplayed as Wonder Woman and clearly didn't expect to see the actual hero Gal Gadot on a video call.
Finally! Oh my god!
Stars often surprise their fans, and Mel B took the opportunity to bring some joy to Spice Girls fans with a surprise appearance.
What mark would you want?
What?
Ellen and Chris Hemsworth came to this office to wish this woman a happy administrative professional day. They created a little workplace celebration for the actor's fan.
Cheers, everybody!
Shake my hand. I'm Bart Simpson. What's happening, baby?
Shut the front door!
A vendor named Skittles was visited by the woman who voices Bart Simpson, and the girl couldn't contain her happiness when she heard the voice of her favorite character.
So crazy!
And this girl was lucky to meet Kylie Jenner and spent some time at the Kylie Cosmetics HQ, enjoying a tour with various surprises. At the end of the visit, Kylie gifted the young fan and her mom $200,000. That's just incredible. Would you go if you could?
Of course, Ellen, help alive.
Fellas, look at this. 95 years old. Survived Hurricane Maria. Survived COVID. And wants to dance with mom.
This woman survived Hurricane Maria and COVID and came to Mark Anthony's concert to try and fulfill her final wish. And here's the 95-year-old fan dancing with her idol on stage.
Just be patient.
And here, Jimmy Fallon surprised customers at Ben & Jerry's, shocking them with his sudden appearance after being fed some treats.
Sorry, stop. Sorry, please stop. Sorry. This is really unusual behavior.
I would be yelling, John Cena, John Cena, John Cena!
A child announces that John Cena is about to take the stage, and he actually appears. An effective and very nice prank. Of course, I mean, it's John Cena.
Luke, I am your father. No!
The Star Wars star Mark Hamill pranks his fans and leaves them in utter shock.
Hi, how are you? It's so nice to meet you.
A very touching encounter between Post Malone and one of his fans.
Come on over, I'd like you to meet
Gordon Ramsay came to a hospital to congratulate a young fan who beat cancer. What an amazing feat and unbelievable emotions.
How are you?
It's not just actors and musicians that bring joy to their fans. This woman is 106 years old, and she is incredibly happy to meet Barack Obama. Look how much energy she has, despite her age. Katy Perry made one of her fans cry, with joy, of course. Just look at these emotions from meeting her hero.
Katie's biggest fan right here.
And this woman is a mother of a 4-year-old girl suffering from cerebral palsy. While she was on The Ellen Show, Usher came out to meet her, bringing incredible joy to the mother. These moments truly inspire. In loving memory of the great Chadwick Boseman, a very heartfelt moment when Black Panther shocks his fans with a surprise appearance. That's so amazing.
Wait, you gonna bootleg my movie? Come on, Quab.
Man of her dreams was John Stamos, so we made it.
Mom and daughter were recording a song for John Stamos, and suddenly he appears right next to them. The mom was shocked, the daughter was happy, and the actor even flirted with the woman.
My mom is Uncle Jesse's girl. My mom is Uncle Jesse's girl. Hey, Uncle Jesse, my mom's the biggest fan.
This girl was sharing her feedback about Creed 2 when she turned around and saw Michael B. Jordan.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
And here is Bon Jovi in disguise, pranking his fans as they sing his songs in karaoke. Their joy is definitely worth it. Even stars have their own idols. For example, here's Neymar finally meeting Will Smith after they've been trying to meet for 10 years.
Finally! We've been trying to meet for about 10 years.
Camera and a latte.
I'll pretend I didn't hear it.
Jennifer Aniston scared the Friends fans when she appeared behind them while they had their photo taken on the famous couch in Central Park. People would do a lot for this kind of photo with their favorite star. This girl came to a photo with Miley Cyrus and asked her to sing her favorite song. The singer suggested that the girl sings it with her, which nearly rendered the fans speechless. But the girl turned out to have a pretty good voice.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle.
And this is a very sweet and heartfelt encounter between Catherine Langford and her fan, despite the security guard's interference. Lewis Hamilton surprised his fan as she was writing a question for him. The fabulous Formula One driver snuck up on the woman and left her in shock. While this woman was recording a goodbye message to Michelle Obama, a miracle happened. Turns out these women were at college together. This girl was a contest winner, and Richard Branson came himself to visit the young woman to congratulate her.
Come here. You're being just fine.
And Elena Walker.
You a leaping concert? Are you me?
This 80-year-old man's kids gave him tickets to Dua Lipa's concert. He was so happy.
Holy
The video that captured his joy went viral, and the man was invited to Jimmy Kimmel's show, where the fan got the chance to meet Dua Lipa. Have you ever seen anything more adorable? Donny Osmond surprised Jen Garner, wishing her a happy 50th birthday while she was in a cafe.
Jennifer! It's your birthday!
The woman was overjoyed to meet the star and to get such a lovely birthday surprise.
Named 50 Cent the greatest rapper of all time. Do you agree with that?
Disagree entirely.
This guy was asked what he thinks of 50 Cent, and as he started singing him accolades, the rapper came up right behind him.
No, right behind you.
Holy I'm telling you, my mind's blown. My mind's blown.
Fetty Wap also likes to spoil his fans, coming to say hello when he spotted them in a car next to him.
Man, that looks realistic.
What the? Oh my.
The Hulk Hogan figure at Madame Tussauds turned out to be the original, which startled his fans. Check out the shock of the museum visitors.
That was that jabroni, Jesse Ventura.
These two guys are mocking Conor McGregor, completely unaware they are about to meet him. Tom Cruise came up to his fans while they were wearing VR sets, and girls didn't even realize straight away that it was real.
You do it.
I am a god, you dog creature.
Hi, Kenny.
Oh my god.
And here's Tom Hiddleston surprising his fans dressed as Loki.
Hi.
That's a very Loki-esque thing to do.
Love story. Yeah, I don't know.
What does magic look like beyond Hogwarts? Like Daniel Radcliffe appearing next to a group of Harry Potter fans, even scaring them a little.
Oh my
god. Oh my god.
These girls are playing Just Dance to one of Billie Eilish's songs, not even suspecting that she is right behind them.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Your name's Miranda, is it? Yes. So's mine.
Johnny Depp, or rather Captain Jack Sparrow, came to the British Columbia Children's Hospital to visit a fan and to bring some joy to the patients during his 5-hour visit. Marshmallow shocked his fans by taking his mask off on stage. He knows how to wreak havoc in the audience. Miley Cyrus and Alicia Keys surprised fans of The Voice at a photo op while they are being interviewed and taking pictures in the judges' chairs. That's all for today. Tell us which celebrity you love and who you'd like to meet, just like the subjects of today's video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. There's lots of interesting stuff ahead.